Okay guys, so today I want to talk about WatchOS 9. Apple yesterday released iOS 16 alongside a tvOS and WatchOS 9. And of course in this video I wanted to share with you guys a few details of what's new with WatchOS 9. There's actually quite a bit of improvements this year with WatchOS, so let's just dive right into this one. Now as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, of course, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. Now, of course, Apple has added brand new watch faces, and that's the first thing I want to talk about. A few UI changes and improvements to watchOS. So let's head on over into the watch application here on iPhone and take a look at some of the new watch faces. The first one here is Metropolitan. As you can see right here, we have some great color options and watch faces to choose from. One of my favorites, Lunar, has also been added to watchOS 9 with a bunch of colors and new calendar options to choose from here as well. We have Playtime, which is a new watch face available here as well for watchOS 9. We have Astronomy. This one's really cool as well. You get all these new options for the astronomy options here for watch faces, and Apple has enhanced existing watch faces as well. So the portrait mode option is now enhanced with additional options and colors to choose from, and we also have the modular, which has been increased and enhanced here with additional new color options for the modular watch face as well. As per usual, every year Apple announces new watch faces, and this year with watchOS 9 is no exception. So next I want to talk about the new Compass application. Now, if you're anything like me, I hardly ever use the Compass app on Apple Watch, but watchOS 9 has a new redesign and new options for the Compass app that I think are going to get you to use the application. So the first thing is a new UI, as you can see right there. We also have a new icon for the Compass application. Right there it is. On the top left, you get additional information. As you can see right there, the incline, elevation, latitude and longitude information at a glance right there. You also have some quick actions here. On the bottom left, you have a quick action to send your location via message, which is very useful if you ever need that. And you also have backtrack. This new option here allows you to track your path. So if you go hiking and you don't know how to get back, backtrack can help you get back for where you started from. So very cool new features and improvements to the Compass application this year with watchOS 9. Now the calendar application also received an update this year. We have some new options here. List view is one of my favorites so far, and you can also tap into the actual calendar itself. So there's a new redesigned calendar to see all your events and things like that. Very, very useful. You can tap into a week, see your entire week with the calendar application. Now, notifications has also been improved with watchOS 9. Notifications now show up from the top. They do not take up the entire display, and you can interact with your notifications just like so. Very similar to iOS now within watchOS. Now, the Workouts application also received an update as per usual with watchOS 9. We have a new cardio recovery feature. We also have heart rate zones, and this feature can be used to monitor the intensity of a workout. We also have new in-session views and power alerts, which can help users reach their fitness goals as well. So yeah, improvements overall to the workout application this year as per usual. Now this year, Apple also brought improvements to the sleep application, and now we have a new update to sleep tracking with sleep stages. So Apple Watch can now estimate when a user is in a REM, core, or deep sleep for more insight. Now I've been using the sleep application ever so often ever since I updated to watchOS 9 within the beta, and I have to say it is very, very much improved from previous OS. Now with watchOS 9 and the health app on your iPhone, Apple has added some great improvements as well. If we go here into the hard options, we have AFib history. So if you've ever been diagnosed with AFib, you can now enable history and keep track, which is super awesome. You also have additional improvements to medications. So now medication tracking is a thing. You can add all your medications, get notifications, track your supplements, your vitamins, or anything that you take on a daily basis with notifications. Super useful. I have some family members that actually use this feature. Also, cycle tracking has been improved within watchOS 9. As you can see right here, we have predictions and notifications, cycle history, privacy and security, and of course we have ovulation prediction with the new Apple Watch Series 8. And last but not least, I would like to talk about one of my favorite hardware and software features coming to watchOS 9. If we go into settings here and we go into the battery department, we now have low power mode. Now low power mode, of course, will disable certain sensors on your Apple Watch to preserve battery life, but keep activity tracking and fall detection enabled, and it'll help you get through the entire day. Now on the Apple Watch Ultra, the new one, if you have this feature enabled, it can last up to 60 hours. This could be life-saving for many Apple Watch users. So yeah, that is the new features and changes within watchOS 9. A lot of improvements this year. I like what Apple continues to do within the help department. Of course, hardware and software combination here is just insane, and it will continue to get better over the years. Let me know what you think about WatchOS 9. Thank you for watching today's video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.